some got done with some house chores still despite being not okay. One of the pretty good insight of that is that Anshumana sir mentioned that he learned one thing from Ankur Variku sir, and it was that related to content creation. And he said that yeah, even I watched even a pretty good video on content creation or new content creators by Mitali this side as well. She's also a pretty good creator. I just find his videos really good. But video has become so long, so I'm not gonna explain it. But Ankur Variku sir's thing I'm gonna explain, and it was that he said that be a curator instead of being a creator. Alright, so hi everyone, this is me Srijal Mishra, and today it is day 6 officially of the challenge Learn AI with me in order to get financially independent. Basically learn it at an extent that you can offer a service to someone, right? So, and as I've already mentioned that my health is not so good these days, so that's why I've not made that much progress. But today I ended up reading my some few pages of my old diary, and in which a few years ago, basically I guess 2 years or 1 year ago, I have written a video transcript of Anshumana sir. Basically I have taken the takeaways, so I just read this. There were mainly 9 points of it. If I had some time now, then I would have read it for you all, because the key insights were legit valuable, priceless. So I wish you all to know about that, but I don't remember the video's title. Actually I just had the notes, so I just went through that. And then I got a point that channelize, in which there was a point in my takeaways, and it was that channelize your frustration and anger and everything into something really productive. Thought upon just stuck on that point, thought for just 4 to 5 seconds, and then thought that let's ask AI that how to do that. And artificial intelligence has, basically ChatGPT, if I just specify the tool, has given me something really important, basically really curated, I guess. So I can make a proper video on that, and because I'm documenting my learning journey, so I'm not going to hide anything. I think I will be documenting the exact steps that I'm going to take to create a particular video, a proper video out of that content that I have gotten, because I want you all to know about that as well. So that's the thing, and I'm thinking even a lot more. I'm not going to reveal it all at this time, but yeah, you will see as I proceed. And as for the learnings for AI, so I just clicked on 2 videos of Anshumana sir. One of was Learn AI, Agentic AI, but in that he was using, like, one of his team members was using a lot of 3 to 4 AI tools which were pretty much paid. So I thought upon it's completely time waste if I watch these, because I cannot implement the learning. So I switched to another video, I guess then, which was from Agaz, and then I switched to another video. Basically it was a proper 16-hour long video. I'm thinking upon completing that. I don't know when I'm going to complete it, and I am not even able to start it properly with the first things first. What do I say more? So that's the thing. I'm trying to be pretty much transparent and honest. I know that I'm saying it all pretty much confidently and in a flow, but deep inside me I'm feeling pretty much bad about it, that what the progress I'm making. But it's okay, yeah, it's pretty fine. These are the days, I need to survive through them. So that's the thing. Apart from that, I used GPT to create a proper roadmap for a beginner who have never danced. So if you really want, I can share the stuff over here. I mean, you can't read the stuff over here, so I can just create a doc file. Do let me know in the comments if you want that tutorial, basically that roadmap. If there has been somebody who has never danced, how can they learn, how can they start, what are the basic things they need to get started with. That's the thing. Do let me know how is my spoken English going. I have not done something so much productive, because in the afternoon, first thing, I was not feeling that much okay, that I was not feeling that much energetic to sit at least and jot down the stuff. And secondly, I just slept and spent entire afternoon watching the Jantar Mantar stuff, which was, I mean, so pathetic, I can say. So that was the thing. I eventually searched that who the Abhijit Dipke is, and I got to know about him. I felt so good that, oh my god, what a spirit that man has, bro. I mean, totally inspiring, basically inspiring. He is quite inspiring person. So that's the thing. I got a huge respect for him. And yeah, that was the thing. Then I just slept, woke up basically, and Mama has came to wake me up, get me awakened, but I was not that much energetic. I just got done with some house chores still despite being not okay. Yes, tomorrow I'm thinking upon going and consulting with a doctor that what's wrong with my health, so that I can do something of it, because of this there are lots of time which is getting wasted. My college has also been started. My college has also started. Basically classes has started. I got even the schedule, which just raised my anxiety bar from here to here literally. But yeah, these are the updates. These are the things I'm telling it you all because I really want to work on my communication skills. So that's the thing. This was it for today. Later, if I learn something, I'll certainly be mentioning it over here. What all I have completed, because we still have some hours left in the day, and I'm not gonna lose the hope this early. Okay, so this was the thing. Thank you so much for being here till now. Do let me know if you need something. I don't know how can I help you because I myself is learning. I myself is a beginner. So that's the thing. Pretty much grateful for the podcast of Anshu Mehra sir, which I watched yesterday. I got so many insights. One of the pretty good insight of that is that Anshu Mehra sir mentioned that he learned one thing from Ankur Varikoo sir, and it was that related to content creation. And he said that yeah, even I watched even a pretty good video on content creation or new content creators by Mitali this side as well. She's also a pretty good creator. I just find his videos really good. But video has become so long, so I'm not gonna explain it. But Ankur Varikoo sir's thing I'm gonna explain, and it was that he said that be a curator instead of being a creator. I won't say even a single line more about this because then it is actually pretty deep thing. I will have to explain, so I just can't do that because the video has already been so long. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you so much for being here till now. Keep learning, keep exploring, and yeah, keep growing.